Some AI YouTube channels are exploding to millions of views, and it's not just their editing, it's their voice. Take Digital Income Project. Amazing scripts, top-notch editing, but if he swapped his AI voice, viewers wouldn't stay. Most creators use ElevenLabs, great tool, but the free plan offers limited features. That's why today I'm introducing a free alternative, Minimax Audio. It provides 10,000 free credits each month, usable for all features, including voice cloning. First, I'll demo 3 voices: educational, entertaining, and ASMR. And in the end, I'll also show you how to clone your own voice for free. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's jump right in. When you go to the Minimax website from the link I left below, you can easily log in with your Google account. After logging in, as you can see, 10,000 free credits are assigned to your account. You can use this monthly, and the next month you get another 10,000 credits for free. Now our first demo will be in the niche Education. For this, I go to Voice Library and choose a relevant filter. I'll pick English, American accent, male, and adult. Then I try out a few voices, testing this one.
Remember, life will test you, but it will never break you if you hold on to what you know.
Yes, it sounds good, quite high quality.
Let me share with you what I've learned over the years.
This one is also nice, deep voice, but feels a bit too old. Here's one I really liked its name, Lively Man.
They say the truth will set you free, but what they don't tell you is how much it will hurt along the way. Sometimes.
Yes, I like it a lot, sounds lively, something that will attract viewers. So I click Use, paste a simple script I prepared earlier, and generate it. It immediately shows me how it sounds.
Today, we're exploring how Minimax Audio AI can elevate your videos with high-quality voiceovers.
I think it could be a little faster, so I adjust the speed to 1.1. Let's try again.
Today, we're exploring how Minimax Audio AI can elevate your videos with high-quality voiceovers.
Yes, now it's much more lively and attractive. I will download it to my computer and show you in a sample video how it turned out.
Today, we're exploring how Minimax Audio AI can elevate your videos with voiceovers.
Yes, very successful, natural, and I think it's ready to use directly as it is. Now let's prepare a demo for the entertainment niche. Now let's create a demo in the entertainment niche. I go to the library again, but this time I'll choose a female voice. So in the gender section, I select female, and once again I try out a few different voices.
Welcome to this quiet space, a gentle pause just for you. Here.
Every phrase I utter is a testament to the strength within, inviting you to embrace your own destiny. There's always a reason to celebrate, even in the little things. So why not start now?
Yes, this one sounds good. I really like it. It's full of energy. I press the Use button, paste in the script I prepared earlier, and generate it. In the previous example, we had increased the speed, but this time I set it back to normal.
Hey there! Fabulous people, get ready for a video of laughs and unforgettable moments.
Yes, it already sounds quite nice this way, but I want the voice to be a bit lighter, so I increase the pitch slightly.
Hey there! Fabulous people, get ready for a video of laughs and unforgettable moments.
Okay, this time it feels a bit too much. It is like she inhaled helium, so I bring it down from 3 to 1 and try again.
Hey there! Fabulous people, get ready for a video of laughs and unforgettable moments.
Yes, now it's exactly how I wanted it. Less deep, a bit brighter, and more inviting, like an entertainment-style voice. Now I download it to my computer and show you in a sample video how it sounds.
Hey there, fabulous people! Get ready for a video of laughs and unforgettable moments.
Yes, very successful again, natural and lively, ready to entertain. Now let's test an ASMR voice. Let's also try something different. Let's make a darker toned voice and test it in an ASMR video. For this, I go to the library and select a voice called Whispering Girl. It's a female voice, so let's see how it sounds.
Let's relax and heal together, bringing peace to your mind and body.
Yes, this one seems perfect, just right for an ASMR style channel. I click Use, paste in the script I prepared earlier, and generate a sample.
I'm softly brushing your ear. Just relax and let the gentle whispers guide you.
It already sounds nice, but I'll also try slowing it down a bit, since for an ASMR channel, slower usually works better.
I'm softly brushing your ear. Just relax and let the gentle whispers guide you.
Yes, now it really feels like a proper ASMR voice. Honestly, I'm already getting sleepy while listening. Now I'll download this as well and show you in a sample video how it sounds.
I'm softly brushing your ear. Let the gentle whispers in.
That sounded incredibly natural and ASMR-like, didn't it? Now that we've explored the demos, let's dive into voice cloning. Now I'll show you how voice cloning works. You can do this for free with Minimax credits. Unfortunately, ElevenLabs doesn't allow it for free. First, I go to the library. This time, I select the Instant Clone option at the top. As you can see, we have two choices here. Either upload a ready voice recording from your computer, or use the Record option directly. I'll choose Record, and quickly record my own voice. After recording, I give my consent below to allow my voice to be used, and then I create it. Before finalizing, it lets me listen to how my cloned voice sounds. After checking, I name the voice, and as you can see, it gets added to the library right away. Now I click Use again, paste in a sample script I prepared, and play it back so you can hear how my voice actually sounds using my cloned voice.
Hi, this is Corbin. I am the creator of the channel, The AI Garage. This is my voice.
This demo showcases the tool's power, but it's crucial that every voice clone should be created with explicit informed consent. Let me remind you again, unfortunately ElevenLabs doesn't let you use this feature for free, but with Minimax you can clone 3 different voices this way. If you're curious about how to turn these voices into videos with animated avatars, leave a comment below and I'll prepare a tutorial about it. And if you think this video provided value, please like it and subscribe to the channel. It supports the channel and means a lot. Now you already know how to create voiceovers, so in the next video I'll show you how to create entire videos. I think you'll find it really useful. To watch that, just click on the video on the screen.